Hi. Welcome to the new video of PowerPoint card design series. Today, we are going to make this PowerPoint presentation. So, let's get started. At first, take a rounded corner rectangle shape. Then, add circle shapes. Select all shapes and merge shapes to union. Pressing Ctrl+D, make duplicate of it. Now, add a rectangle shape and send it to back. Pressing Ctrl, select all the shapes and merge shapes to fragment. Now, change the shape's colors and add texts. Pressing Ctrl, select all elements and move it to upside. Then, add your desired texts. Send the texts to back. Do the same for other cards. Now, select the slide and press Ctrl+D to make a duplicate. Align the texts. Follow the same process. Pressing Ctrl, select all the slides and add Morph Transition. Now, it's time to add animation. Pressing Ctrl+Shift+G, make ungroup. Then, add animation. We are all set. That's all for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and for more upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe the channel. For any query, you can comment below.